In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Analytics to map out your marketing funnel and the most important part, to see if it's successful. What exactly am I talking about when it comes to your marketing funnel? If we have a look here, I just have a simple 4-step funnel. You might have a 1 or 2-step funnel. This is what it looks like. They come to our landing page here on step 1. So they come to our service page or your dedicated sales page for your landing page. Then the next step that they will go to is the How It Works page. From there, they will be able to go and click on a link to book a call. And then the 4th step will be the thank you page. It's very important to see how somebody progresses down through the funnel. When we're looking at somebody who's coming into our world, we want to know what is the percentage of the person who comes to our dedicated landing page and actually clicks through and opts in. So this works for a variety of different funnels that you're working on. As I said, it doesn't have to be 4-step, it could be longer, it could be shorter. Let's dive into our Google Analytics and have a look here. So we're inside our Google Analytics here. So what we're going to do is come down to our admin down the bottom left. Then we're going to come over under here and we're going to look at our goal view. So all website data goals, and we're going to create a new goal. First step here we're going to do is custom, continue, the name of our goal. This will be sign up for a call. So you just call it whatever is going to help you recognize, because you may have multiple funnels running. So you just use the name here that you're going to know exactly what it is. And for here, we're going to select destination and click continue. And then we're going to say begins with. Come back over here to our steps. You want the part that comes after your domain name. So whatever's after the /. So we're going to have service overview. So we're going to pop in service overview. You can assign a value, but for the purpose of today, we're not going to. And I am going to say, yes, this is part of a funnel. This one is going to say view the sales page. And again, the same with the domain. Is it a required part of your funnel? Depending on whether you have a designated funnel page, this might be the top of the funnel, and it's the only way in our case here to get to the How It Works page. You will need to decide whether that is the only path for your funnel. If it is, you're going to click required yes. So the next step will be to see the view How It Works. And we're going to pop in our page name there. The next one will be to book a call page. And we're going to grab our link. And let's pop this in here. And then the success is the thank you page. So this is how we know that somebody has gone through the funnel and become a lead, or whichever way you're going to use your funnel. You can verify this goal and click here. Now it's going to come up 0% because this is not my true funnel. You will see here, if you have been running your sales funnel, it will actually give you an idea of the conversion rate based on your current information. So I'm just going to click save and done. Okay, so that's it. Our funnel is recording. So let's have a look now if we're going to see it in action. We're going to come over here to our menu and we're going to look at conversions, and then you're going to click on goals, and then you're going to have a look at funnel visualization. So we're going to scroll down here. This, when it's all working and in action, you will get to see how many people viewed the sales page, how many people took the next logical step to see how it works, how many people clicked on view call, and then how many people clicked and actually successfully converted on the thank you page. So you'll get to see your step-by-step conversion rates. You may just have the book a call page to the thank you page, and that's totally fine. And then here we have obviously our overall. So you will be able to see from the top of the funnel, you could say have 100 people here, and you want to know how many people from the 100 people came through here and booked a call. So that's it. That's exactly how you will track your funnel inside Google Analytics. be careful to make sure you actually have your Google Analytics code installed on your website so you're actually able to track it. But this is a great way to be able to see how successful your funnels are working and making sure that you're in line with your industry or succeed in your industry conversion rates. And then obviously the most important part, if you're not achieving your conversion rates, you can get in to see actually why it isn't working and what you need to do from there to optimize, make your small improvements, and then be able to visually see it on the back end of the amount of people that are flowing through your funnel. If you would like more tips like this on how to grow your business smarter without working harder, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.